So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically create a Gmail account without your phone number. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. Gmail sometimes requires you to put in your phone number, sometimes you can skip it. It's really just depends on, just like your luck that day. So to get started, what you want to do is you want to open up an incognito tab inside of your, device. So open up a private web browser, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and go into the Gmail signup page. So here I'm on the Gmail sign up page, and all I want to do is I just want to tap on this, and I want to go and create a Gmail account. So here I can click on create an account, and then I can start creating my account if I click on create account down here. Now you can choose whichever one works for you. In this case, I'll just do it for my personal use. So then what you can do is you can go ahead and start going through the process of creating your account. So here you can just type in your name, type in your last name if you want to. So whatever your name is, you can go and type in all this information. And you can even get through the process of setting up your password. And so far, it hasn't asked me to type in my phone number, but if it has, and if it does, all you're going to have to do there is click on the skip button. If you do have that option of clicking skip, then you can do that. But if for some reason you don't have the option of clicking skip, what you can always do is sign up for create an application. What you can always do is basically sign up for an application that gives you a temporary phone number and then use that temporary phone number. So in this case, there's a lot of options out there. You can use things like Google Voice. You can use like text free. There's a lot of different options out there that you can use. So at that point, if that doesn't work, just sign up for one of these apps that give you a free phone number. You can go and sign up this way, and that will allow you to go ahead and use a temporary phone number that you can still use, and then you can sign up for your account that way. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, slowly.